CBSE challenges order on IISER school. Reopening of schools, seniors classes may resume from September 1, others to follow. CEO meeting his high school math teacher in viral video is not Sundar Pichai. Schools unlikely to reopen before November, says Odisha minister. Implementation likely in phases, Maharashtra minister to discuss NEP roadmap with experts. Separate entry and exit at schools as restart strategy. Admissions begin in Chennai. Government-aided schools in city witness good demand. Multi-subject classes in government schools from next year. Initial teaching in local languages will help rural schools improve. Think out of box. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia to school panel. North Carolina University's latest US school to roll back campus reopening. Punjab Achievement Survey mock tests in September for students of government schools. Karnataka government to set up 16 universities, 34 institutions in 3 years. HRD ministry is now officially Ministry of Education as it gets President's nod. Parents protest outside private schools in Ambala over levying of annual charges. CHSC Odisha Plus 2 Commerce result 2020 to be released on August 19th. Return to the old school of thought. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: CBSE challenges order on IISER school. The Central Board of Secondary Education has filed an appeal before a division bench of Calcutta High Court, challenging an interim order that asked the CBSE to issue provisional affiliation to a school on the IISER Calcutta's Mohanpur campus in Nadia by August 14 so that it could register students who had passed Class 8 this year. The centre has framed a plan to reopen schools and other educational institutions in a phase-wise manner starting from September 1 till November 14. The modalities of the plan have been discussed by the group of secretaries attached to the group of ministers on COVID-19 management headed by Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. The decision is likely to be notified as part of the final unlock guidance to be issued later this month, which would guide the states on unlocking the remaining activities after August 31st. CEO meeting his high school math teacher in viral video is not Sundar Pichai. A video claiming to be of Google CEO Sundar Pichai visiting his high school mathematics teacher Molly Abraham has been doing the rounds on several social media platforms. Fact check: the video is actually from 2017 and is not of Google CEO Sundar Pichai but of IC3's foundation Ganesh Kohli instead. Amid the rising COVID cases in the state, it may not be possible to allow schools to reopen after August 31st. Meanwhile, to ensure that all students have access to education, the School and Mass Education Department is planning to launch the Sikhya Sampark program in a week, School and Mass Education Minister Sameer Ranjan Das said. In the thick of the raging debate over the new education policy recently released by the centre, Maharashtra School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad plans to meet with experts and department officials on Monday to discuss the state's government's response. They will deliberate on the challenges in implementing the policy and the interdepartmental tasks that will need examination. The Directorate of School Education has directed all schools to construct separate gates for entry and exit to ensure physical distancing amongst students and staff when physical classes resume. District education officers have been asked to submit a list of schools with only one gate so that cost estimates for construction of a second gate can be prepared. Several government and government-aided schools in the city were choked on Monday, the first day of admissions for class 1 to 10th. The rush, experts say, is because many of those who had lost jobs during the still raging COVID-19 pandemic are keen on admitting their children to state-run institutions because of the low fees. Ashok Nagar Government Girls Higher Secondary School received 359 applications for class 6. On the lines of private schools, UP government has come up with a multiple subject classroom structure for kids enrolled in primary schools across the state. So when schools reopen, teachers will have to teach all subjects on a daily basis, unlike earlier when classes were held only for one subject. To make up for the loss due to COVID-induced lockdown, the number of school hours have also been increased. In 2017, the State Education Department formally acknowledged Ashwini Sonawane as the first official to seek transfer to Naxalite-infested Gadchiroli district. Last month, she completed her 3-year tenure in the remote Bamragarh Taluka as the block education officer. Think out of box. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia to school panel. Interacting with the newly elected members of School Management Committee, Deputy Chief Minister and Education Minister Manish Sisodia asked them to think out of the box for the development of schools. If online education of 10 children is interrupted due to lack of mobile, then think of making arrangements with public assistance, Sisodia suggested. The University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill cancelled in-class instruction just 1 week into the new term on Monday after positive cases of COVID-19 shot up dramatically, becoming the latest US school to reverse course on reopening. The university's chancellor said in a letter to students posted on the campus website that classes would be held online going forward, along with academic support services. The State Education Department will conduct the Punjab Achievement Survey for all students of government schools to prepare them for the National Achievement Survey, which is expected to be held in November 2020. The mock test will be conducted online in September for students of primary classes to class 12. Currently, students are participating in online quizzes based on the parameters of National Achievement Survey. The Karnataka government would set up 16 universities and 34 autonomous educational institutions in 3 years, Deputy Chief Minister of the state Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan said on Monday. With the setting up of institutions, the aim is to achieve the goals of the new education policy by year 2030, he told a press conference. HRD Ministry is now officially Ministry of Education as it gets President's nod. President Ramnath Kovind on Monday gave assent to the change in name of the Ministry of Human Resource Development as Ministry of Education, an official notification said. The name change was among the key recommendations of the draft new National Education Policy, which was also cleared by the Union Cabinet last month. Parents of students from St. Joseph School, Ambala, protested against the school management on Monday for not allowing their wards to attend online classes due to non-payment of annual charges. Earlier, we paid the tuition fees after they stopped sending the link for online classes, and now the school authorities are asking for annual charges. They should levy the charges only if they have a government order. When I asked for the copy of the order, they didn't have it, one of the parents said. The Council of Higher Secondary Education Orissa will announce the result for Class 12th Commerce stream on Wednesday, which is August 19. The students who had appeared for the examination can check the results on the websites chscorissa.nic.in and orissaresults.nic.in. Education Minister Sameer Ranjan Dash said the annual Commerce stream result will be announced at 11:30 am. Although several months have passed since the schools, teachers, students and parents became more or less used to the new normal now, which is online classes, all of them feel that it can never be as effective as classroom teaching. On Monday, Jawahar Vidya Mandir Shamli principal Samarjit Jana said the physical presence of a teacher and his or her eye-to-eye contact with the students lead to better monitoring of the latter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.theENN.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.